Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include iPod adapter, satellite radio, MP3, power sun moonroof. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2015 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Come take a test drive today.